Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia XZ2. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add a payment method or different types of cards. If you tap right here, you've got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Next, we've got access to settings, and from here you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, enable NFC, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.